This is Randy Babel from All Sports Scoreboards. This is a full color video RGB scoreboard. P25 means it's a 25 mil pixel pitch, full color, capable of 16 million colors. 25 mil pixel pitch, which means 25 millimeters in between your cluster of pixels, both horizontally and vertically. This is what's called a virtual pixel, which means we use pixel sharing on it so you get a finer resolution. It's full color, as you can see. It's very hard because we're actually pretty close up to this right now. Ideally, you want to be about 20-25 meters away to get you to start viewing it perfectly to show in. Computer-wise, how this is basically all set up, everything runs off a PC. Everything that we do, we have a dedicated PC that actually runs it. Essentially, you got your PC set up here. It's a very good industrial PC. Everything's here. And I'm going to show you basically on how to take and work through it. Okay. So essentially, we have a dedicated scoring program that's all set up for this. Okay, that we call Ultra Score that we use. Okay. You open up the program. As you open up the program, you can see here in the top corner of the screen, this little black square that actually indicates your scoreboard element. Right there. Whatever's in that portion of your screen is on the scoreboard. We've set up some sample programs here. We've got the AFL one. We'll actually pick that up. Essentially, you basically set your program up. You select it, which is there. You can actually modify it by going new programs. That's all in the instructions. But essentially what you do, you open your program up. As you open it, as you take a look at the scoreboard, you see what's actually up here in the scoreboard is also in your scoreboard up there. Okay. Very simple to take and change all your scores on this. You just basically add your scores on. You have to enter in the names of your players to show you who actually score whatever goals, and you can add your goals on. Very simple to operate in that regards. You can actually also use this as well to take and play multiple text and graphics. Okay, so you just basically select your graphics, hit play, and you can actually see on the thing that it actually will show you what's being selected across there. This is a video element. We'll back up later so you can actually see that. And you can also take and put in images, essentially on a loop. You can play those images as well, and you can see on the scoreboard as well, everything plays through. Once again, what's on your scoreboard is also up on your monitor right here showing you. I'll back everything off so you can actually see how it all works. But that's essentially how everything goes. A very simple operation to do. There's other things you can do as far as putting text messages in as well. Basically type in text. This is all, it's all basically, depends on how you actually set it all up. Just push that in, hit show on there. That's it. And it should be running across the top, which is what it's doing up on top of the screen there. Anything you type in that area there in the box, you can actually show. You can also import files. You can load files from text files that you would have saved, select your text file, put it in there, and away you go. You run your advertising. Essentially, you just hide that and it goes. Your clock comes up. Once again, however this is set up is entirely dependent upon how you want it set up, because we custom set up everything like that. Very simple setup in that regards. Power and data. Essentially, your computer's all set up. You can see it's a Cat5 cable. Okay. This will be set up into the ground. We can do it wireless as well. This particular one is all set up here. We actually have this. This is all open here. You can see the Cat5 cable connects through here. It will actually, when it's installed on site, it will be in a waterproof socket, which the cable will go inside there. It'll be fully waterproof on the outside. Three-phase. This one particular here is three-phase 32 amp connection. Basically to a three-phase circuit. Very simple to wire when you get it. Essentially, you wire up your cables. Each one of your cable runs, essentially you got one phase running across each row of all the cabinet modules across through here. Inside these cabinets are all basically very, very weatherproof. Okay. We then cap everything with fully with fans and everything on it, so we got good airflow for when it's actually installed on site as well. Very simple to set up once it's there. You got lifting lugs on top. Pick the lifting lugs up in the spreader bar, sit it on the truck. When it actually arrives on site, pull it off the truck, drop it into place. What we'll do, we'll back the camera up now. So you can actually then take a look at the scoreboard. I'll just do some changes. So we'll move about 20 meters back. So you can take a look at how this is basically set up for 20 meters. I'll just do a few changes. So just take it outside, Steve. essentially, that's it.